In today's video, I'm going to teach you use a custom fields app. If you've ever wanted to show extra product details, like materials, care instructions, a size guide, or even a downloadable file, custom fields are the clean, scalable way to do it in Shopify. We'll walk through installing an app, creating a field, assigning it to your products, and displaying it on your product page. First, head to the Shopify App Store and install a custom fields app. A popular option is ACF, Meta Fields Custom Fields, but choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Look for clear documentation, good reviews, and support for the field types you plan to use. After you install, approve the requested permissions so the app can create and manage fields in your store. Next, open the app and create a new custom field. You'll choose a field type, such as a single-line text field for a short label, a multi-line field for longer descriptions, a drop-down for standardized choices, or a file upload if you want to attach PDFs or images. Give the field a clear name and handle so you can recognize it later. If the app offers validation or default values, set those to keep your data consistent. Think ahead about where this field will appear and how your team will fill it in. Now, assign the field to the products that need it. Most apps let you apply a field to all products, selected collections, or specific items. If the field is only relevant for certain categories, say apparel or electronics, scope it accordingly to keep your catalog tidy. Save your changes, then open a product and add some sample content so you have real data to test with. Finally, display the field on your product page. The app will provide a small snippet of code and instructions that show you exactly where to place it. Copy that snippet and add it to your product page template in the theme editor, positioning it near related information, like under the price or within the product description area. It's a good idea to duplicate your theme before editing so you can preview safely. Save, then preview a product that has the field filled out to confirm it appears correctly and matches your styling. If nothing shows, check that the product has content in the field and that you pasted the snippet in the correct block or section. That's it. You installed a custom fields app, created a field, assigned it to the right products, and displayed it on the page. Repeat the process for any additional fields you need, and you'll have a flexible, maintainable way to enrich your product pages.